Hey math nerds, here's a short and sweet video about using your calculator, your TI-83 or 4, to make this histogram style box plot chart. So here we go. We're going to use this data and put it into our calculator. There's instructions here if you want to pause it and read it. It's also in the notes. Let me move my head, but we'll do it here on the calculator. Also my keystrokes will be shown up right there. Where'd my face go? I blind there. Float on top. There we go. Ta-da. All right, so here we go. We're going to take this and input it into the stats key, which is right there. Bing! Yeah, and it says edit. I'm going to hit enter. And there's stuff in my two lists to delete. Go up, so the black cursor pops up here. Hit clear, and then go down. Go over and repeat for list 1. Right? Up, clear, down. Neat. And now you're going to input all of this data into your list 1. So you can fast forward me through this should you like. X 5 5 6 4 5 4 5 5 3 4 6 5 5 4. Okay, hopefully I didn't miss anything. So this L1, this tells you how many entries you put in L1. So that's just a little helpful piece, so you can tell if you got it right. And now once your list 1 is complete, you hit stat again for statistics. You go over to calculate, and we want to, oh, I guess we don't want to calculate one variable statistics. Sorry, we just want to make a graph. So we're going to hit graph. Ping! Nothing shows up. In fact, a line shows up, which means in my y equals key, I have some sort of a graphed equation. Sure enough, there it is. I'm going to clear it, and then I'm going to go back to graph. Nothing there because we don't have the stat plot on. Statistics plot means graph my statistics. So if you go into second, stat plot, right now plot 1 is off. So we're going to have to go enter. See, it's like the solid black is round off. Hit on. And also we want to make a histogram. We want to make this kind of chart. So we're going to go down and bring our cursor over the histogram style box plot. Hit enter. Now it's flashing over there. And then we can hit graph. Oh, looks weird, right? Ask the calculator to zoom in the right place. You can say zoom and go down to stat. I hit zoom stat. So then this means look at the statistics. Hit enter. And it looks at the statistics boundaries and draws accordingly. It's not perfect sometimes with these weird gaps. I don't really want those weird gaps. And if you go into window, then we can sort those out sometimes. The minimum value, I might make that 0 because like the smallest value here, I think 0 might be easier to see. The maximum value, I don't know, make it 10. None of these values got bigger than 10, so I'm going to try 10. And the scale, I want to see a mark every 1 unit. That's kind of how we usually read. The minimum, I don't know, maybe -1. It's frequency, like it's how often these show up. So I just want to see the 0, and then let's make it 15 for the maximum, and then hit graph again. And it looks a lot nicer. I see a mark every 1 unit here, every 1 unit here. It fits nicely, and we can take a screenshot of it and use it wherever we see fit. Yay! There you go. Hope that helps. Turn me off.